while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Hello guys, you are watching VX Motor Reviews.
Host Vivek Rudani. So today we are going to take a look at this beautiful silver painted Audi Q5. So today we have came at Car Mentors. So special thanks to them for providing me the car. So let's kick off this video with the engine specs. So guys, it has a 2-liter TDI motor which produces 174.3 bhp of power and 380 newton meters of torque. So you can see everything is clean and tidy. So let's take a look at the exterior. So guys, as you can see, it has a LED projector and here sits a halogen indicator bulb. Here is a beautiful Audi logo and it has 4 front parking sensors and there sits a LED fog light. And it also comes with headlight washers. So as you can see, it is very bold from the front. You can have a complete look. Let's move on to the side. So you can have an overall look of the side. And this is a 2016 model. It has 235/60 R18 tires and this is the style of alloy wheels. You can have a look. It's very gorgeous and it has this continuous chrome strip running from all sides. So it indeed enhances the look. And this is the ORVM. Gets request sensors on all the doors and it is part chrome and part body painted. So again, let's look at the rear. You can see the LED tail lights look gorgeous. From the rear it looks like a crossover, but it's still very attractive looking car. So this was the look of exterior and you saw that there is no dent or scratch on the paint. So that's a good thing indeed. So the overall exterior quality maintained is very good. So now let's talk about the interior.
I am in the interior of this beautiful
Audi Q5. So if you see the quality of the cabin. It's top notch. No one can notice that it's a used car. It is very well maintained. So talking about the driving posture, it's fantastic. I'm very comfortable in this cabin. So the under thigh support and everything is excellent, and you have this electronic seat adjust, and these controls are for lumbar support. So everything is well fitted in, and nothing is vibrating or nothing. The quality of the cabin is fantastic. So guys, if you are interested, you can again visit you can see the Car Mentors. It's in Pune. So guys, I will put the address in the description and also their Instagram ID, so you can contact there and have a look or test drive by coming here. So let's continue the review. So as I told, the cabin is well maintained, all switches and everything works perfect. And this is the infotainment system. As it is a diesel, so 6000 rpm marking. And this is the touch screen, and these are all the controls of this beautiful touch screen. And there sits the AC controls. It's a dual zone unit, so each passenger can set the temperature according to them. And here's the gear lever. So this is a 7-speed unit, and here are the buttons for hill descent control, traction control and parking sensors. And here is the drive select. So now it's in comfort mode, auto, dynamic. So there are 3 driving modes, and here is a coin holder. There are 2 large cup holders with cigarette lighter. Cigarette lighter is here, the cap of it is removed, and there sits a ashtray. So let's talk about the glove box. So it's deep enough to keep things like wallet, and the quality of the cabin is really impressive. I'm very impressed by that. So this is the whole look of the interior. So let's take a look at the back. So guys, I am in the rear of this Audi Q5, and as you can see, there is plenty of space for me, and there is a good amount of headroom. Under thigh support is also excellent, and the quality of the seats are amazing. Again, I have plenty of support for my body, and there sits the beautiful panoramic sunroof. So you can see it is a very big unit, so you can enjoy the weekend with your family. There are the sun blinds. These are manual sun blinds, but it's okay. And the third of the door is amazing again, and you can see here the wooden finish again feels very premium. Everything here is soft touch. There are the tweeters, speakers. AC vents are here. This is to control the temperature, and this is to lower speed. And again, it has also a silver surround. Everything is very well put together. There are chrome door handles. So actually the rear seat experience is fantastic. You can see the seats from nowhere, they are wear and tear. They are perfect in place, and the support from these seats is great. So let's take a look at the boot. Let's get out from here. So it is a massive 540 liters of boot, has twin halogen lights, and using this you can recline the seats forward to carry more luggage. And there are 4 tie down anchor points, and there's some nettage here, so everything is well in place and well maintained. So this was the overall view of the.
If you liked the video and if you enjoyed the car,
So you can contact at Instagram, and I will put the name in the description. It's Car Mentors Pune, and you can also follow them on Facebook and contact them for this car. So thank you, Car Mentors, for providing this car to me. Thank you guys. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit a like on this video. Let's aim at 50 likes for this video, complete for sure. So meet you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.